The mission of the Pediatric Cancer Dream Team is very simple: to change the way we treat childhood cancer by using our children's immune systems to treat their tumors.
We see the opportunities afforded to us by this collaboration, and we put the pieces together. An investigator at Stanford with an investigator at the University of Wisconsin to see how they can collaborate together because they have complementary talents, complementary expertise, and to really build new relationships, new programs, and that is what the Dream Team is. It is a large collaborative effort.
We knew that if we didn't work together with our colleagues across North America, we were going to be spinning in silos, repeating failures, and just not moving progress together as quickly.
In 6 years, this has gone from an idea with some very high potential to the realization of actual treatments and actual cures for children with very refractory and very advanced cancer.
I really am proud of the way we collaborate and how groups go out of their way to foster the advancement of their team members across sites. That's a really special and unique feature of this Dream Team and the Dream Team community and the whole ethos of what a Dream Team is all about.
We had a vision early on that these two fields, one genomics, one immunotherapy, needed to come together in order to provide completely new insights in how to treat childhood cancers. Genomics is the field of figuring out what makes a cancer occur in the first place and what makes it tick. Immunotherapy is the field of harnessing the patient's own immune system to attack the cancer.
We're able to take the information from the genomics, sort of identified targets, and then translate them to real therapies that can be then given to the patients.
One of the major things that the Dream Team Collaborative is looking at is how do you target solid tumors? What are the targets? What are the things that the immunotherapy has to go after to actually successfully control the disease? And we've had some great candidates come up, and those are moving into the clinical trial realm very quickly.
One of the things I'm most impressed with about this Pediatric Cancer Dream Team is their ability to take preclinical observations and quickly move them into clinical trials to test in children with recurrent or refractory cancer.
The FDA approval of CD19 CAR therapy for childhood leukemia, the first cell therapy approved for the treatment of cancer, the first gene therapy approved in the United States, was a watershed moment for all of biomedicine. And I believe that our Pediatric Cancer Dream Team played a very important role in getting that over the finish line.
As we've seen the Dream Team roll out, we built this collaborative structure. We have science happening in multiple institutions with samples that are going from place to place. We're helping patients already right now.
There are almost 1,000 patients that have been entered on trials with this Dream Team. The success rate in childhood leukemia is unprecedented for relapsed refractory disease.
When I talk to a patient about a difficult relapse or a very refractory disease, one of the things that this team has been able to do is to provide us with an opportunity to treat that, to give the families hope that there's more that we can do, that we can really make a difference in terms of their kids' lives.
The most exciting thing being part of this Dream Team has been curing the incurable. Started with leukemias, and there were children with refractory leukemias just 6-7 years ago who now have a very good chance of a cure with new specialized immunotherapies that are now FDA approved as treatments. We're very excited about the whole concept of providing more precise, more effective treatments for children with cancer.
Imagine a day where a diagnosis of leukemia could happen on a Monday. On a Tuesday, cells go off to create that personalized CAR T-cell therapy and are ready the next week with children going into remission 7 days after.
The St. Baldrick's Pediatric Cancer Dream Team is doing science differently. And the model is proving to have real value.
But I think we've built a collaborative team that's going to keep on fighting the problem of childhood cancer until it's no longer a problem. And until that day, we're going to need to keep on working collaboratively. Without the St. Baldrick's Foundation and Stand Up to Cancer, there would be no Dream Team.
This is not a one-generation thing. This has to go on for decades and decades. And St. Baldrick's is in it for the long haul because the donors have made it possible. And I think what St. Baldrick's Foundation and Stand Up to Cancer have done working together has created a dream team that will spawn research and researchers. This is the way we're going to really cure every child with childhood cancer.